Hello everybody, Niharika this side. So yes, एकदम last moment पे I had to come up with this whole video because just yesterday night itself we got the updates about the new exam dates and the new exam pattern. And trust me, since the past 1 week I have been just as sleepless and frustrated as you all have been कि कब कुछ update आ जाएगा. Because NFSU has been there since so many years and never has the admissions been a problem. But it's okay, we'll get through this. So yes, firstly the exam was postponed from the originally scheduled 7th and 8th of June. And since a lot of you guys wanted to know कि क्यों exam postponed हुआ, here it is. There were many reasons, but some of the prime reasons that I personally think might have been that firstly, though the problem had been persisting since a few days, एकदम से news आया था that the admit card is here, and everybody rushed into the website to download their admit cards, and obviously the site kept on crashing because where normally 15 to 16,000 people used to apply for the NPAT exam, this time we are assuming कि उससे काफी ज़्यादा लोगों ने apply किया है. The exact numbers are not yet out, but yes, it's a lot. So yes, it's a first for NFSU to manage all that traffic, but yes, they're definitely working hard to sort out all of these issues. And काफी लोगों के issues थे related to the admit card, like some people were not getting the photos or the signatures or the barcodes. काफी लोगों के locations भी properly नहीं दिए हुए थे, and even if we say that it's not a problem, trust me, it is when you're giving a CBT based examination. After you're done with the iris, retina or thumbprint verification, all of the details are directly shown on your system, right? On the system you're appearing the exam in, and अगर admit card में कुछ भी issues हो, then naturally that will also be a problem. Hence, I think it's a good decision that they have shifted to OMR based paper. And apart from that, there were natural calamities. I am assuming Assam के floods की वजह से this action could have been taken as well. But ठीक है, now that we have the new dates and the exam pattern, let us focus on that and how you can build your strategy to maximize your score in this new OMR based exam. The final dates for NPAT NFSU 2025 is 28th and 29th of June, again a Saturday and Sunday. The exact timings will be announced very soon, so please make sure कि आप website continuously check करते रहो. Now firstly, let me answer a few common queries that you all had. Number one, will there be a change of timings or the number of questions? So I do not really think that the timing will increase from 90 minutes or the number of questions will decrease from 100 because कोई official notice नहीं आया है. So let us assume that the exact pattern is followed. And hence it might be a bit harder for you because you have to fill the entire OMR sheet as well. So please make sure to manage your time very nicely. And if you're still confused about what kind of strategy you need to maintain during the NPAT exam, then please make sure to check out this detailed video about the exam strategy that you need to use. I have covered everything about how to analyze mocks, how to manage your time and everything. And this has already been watched by over 13,000 people. So make sure that you do not fall back. Number two, will they issue new admit cards? I think so they will because there have been discrepancies in the past. So most probably new admit cards आएंगे from the same website. They will again announce कि कब तक आ जाएंगे. Three, can we change the exam center? So I personally do not think that this will be allowed. I totally understand आप में से काफी लोगों को दिक्कत हो रही होगी regarding the same exam center that you had chosen. But I think अगर अभी exam center change करने के लिए दिया जाए तो और भी problems हो जाएगा. It will create much more chaos and a lot more delays, which you do not really want. And number four, when will the results be declared or when will the college start? So generally, after the exam, it takes around 15 to 20 days for the results to be declared. This was for CBT. I am not exactly sure of OMR, but I am assuming that your classes will also begin with us, with the rest of the batch, with the rest of the college, which is around 22nd of July. But again, that is an assumption. If not, then it might start from 4th of August after the whole counseling happens online. Now, there are various pros and cons about this OMR-based exam that you really need to take care of and understand while attempting the paper. I'm assuming you would have definitely seen this kind of question paper in some of the other exams, especially the NEET students. Firstly, the pros. No technical glitches. So during my time, I accidentally touched the wires with my legs below because I was so nervous. I was just shaking my legs and my screen got off. And मेरी तो फट गई. I just got so scared. I called somebody for help and they turned it on and thankfully my progress was saved. But again, it led to a delay of 5-7 minutes and I got really panicked in the meanwhile. So hopefully that will not be there. Number two, you would not be having a ticking clock right in front of your face. So you would not be that scared कि oh my god, time जा रहा है, I need to do rush up and stuff. So make sure to carry an analog watch. I'm not sure if they will allow it inside the exam hall, but try karo. If they allow, then well and good. If not, they will definitely be invigilators and you can ask the time from them. And number three, you can do the rough work in the question paper itself because generally you do the rough work in the sheet and then you might forget कि rough work कौन से question के लिए किया था मैंने. So this might be more easier because you can just write down down some pointers or helping words right in front of the question. Now coming to the cons part. Number one, you might mess up a lot in the numbering of the answers. So when you're filling the OMR sheets, even if you miss just one, the entire chain gets disrupted and आपके सारे answers गलत हो सकते हैं. So you have to be very very careful about that. Number two, since it's OMR based, I am assuming कि CBT की तरह आपकी सारी details already नहीं रहेंगे. So you might have to write down your roll number or some other details. And please read all the instructions carefully that would be mentioned on the first page. Number three, less flexibility. So in CBT type, normally you can just click this, you can click that, and you can change your answers as per you think. But right now you cannot. अगर आपने OMR पे mark कर दिया, it's going to be very hard. And I do not really think you can just cross one and select another one, right? So please, अच्छे से ही जब तक आप sure नहीं हो about an answer, do not fill it over there. And number four, categorization. So in computer-based test, again, it's very easy. Green is for answered, red for unanswered, purple for review, and so on. But right now you wouldn't have it. So you need to take special care of how you are marking the questions for your own reference. Now let us come to some strategies that you can use to maximize your score. Number one, please circle properly. Please आधे में मत छोड़ के आ जाओ या तो lightly मत mark करो. It might not be counted and you do not want to take the risk when you already know the answer. Do not prefer doing it with a pencil. Try using a pen, a ballpoint, blue or black pen as specified in the instructions. Number two, filling all of the answers. So this is a very personal tip. It might work out, it might not work out for you. So if you have suppose marked answer number A and then after some time you understand that oh A तो नहीं होगा, like I'm not sure what the answer is, but A is definitely not the answer. And you do not want to attempt the question, maybe you can just fill in all of the answers so that it will not be counted. Because जब तक आपने सिर्फ A mark किया है, it might be a wrong answer, so you might get the negative marking. But अगर आप सारे mark कर देंगे, so it will be not counted. So you might not get any negative marking or a positive marking at all. But that is again totally your call. If you feel that it works out, then please do it. Number three, attempt in batches. So please do not do this strategy if you're doing physics, chemistry and biology कि मैं पहले पूरा physics का question paper पे attempt कर लेता हूँ and then पूरा OMR sheet में attempt कर लेता हूँ because you might mess up with the chain. Like I previously said, even if you just miss one, then the entire chain of marking your answers might get wrong. So the better option is attempt 5 to 10, then mark it in the answer sheet, attempt 5 to 10, then mark it in the answer sheet. Whatever works out for you, jitne number of questions you feel that you are comfortable with, attempt that many. Number four, so like I said, you cannot just have the marks for review or unanswered, answered, all of that. It's not that simple. So make your own marking tactics. तो मैं क्या करती थी in my OMR based exams, जो आता है I used to tick it, जो नहीं आता है बिल्कुल भी I would circle it, and for questions that I think I know and I would like to attempt it in the next phase and I would come back to it, I would make a star around it. So yeah, please figure out whatever signs work out the best for you. So yes, finally that is all from my side. I hope I could help you out in some way at least. And I understand आपके बहुत सारे queries होंगे, बहुत सारे doubts होंगे because everything is changing at a very fast pace. So please drop them down in the comments. I'll definitely try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. And please make sure to check out this last 20 strategies for the NPAT exam before you give the exam. You might just find out a lot of new things that I might not have covered in this video or any other video, to be honest. And yes, if you want to connect personally, you can always DM me on my Instagram ID @Niharika Kohli or my LinkedIn ID, and I'll also be sharing you the link to our WhatsApp group where we chat, discuss doubts and have a lot of fun. And मैं motivation भी दे देती हूँ थोड़ा. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Good luck for the exam and campus पे मिलते हैं.